Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Entry Guide for Newstead Wood School. The topics covered in this video are linked in the timestamps within the video description below, so you can jump to a specific section if you would like to. When your child is preparing for the 11 Plus exam, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. The Exam Coach also offers fun and effective 11 Plus exam preparation workshops throughout the year. Just visit our website for all the information and our latest schedule. Again, the link is in the description below. Newstead Wood School was established in 1957 and is an all-girls selective grammar school in Bromley, South East London. The school specialises in engineering and languages. In 2008, the school was recognised as a gifted and talented lead school. It has won many awards, including the International School Award, and was described by Ofsted as an outstandingly successful school. The school has a total of 1,100 students, with 160 places available for Year 7 entry. On average, there are approximately 8 or more applicants per place. The exam style used for Newstead Wood School is GL assessment. The specific areas tested are verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. There are 2 40 to 50 minute exams. The pass mark is different each year. For 2021 entry, the required standard is a score of 210 marks. The latest information for this year's application process, including key dates, school catchment area, oversubscription policy, and contact information, are available on the Exam Coach website, linked below this video. Effective preparation is vital to doing well in the 11 Plus exam. We would recommend that you start revision and preparation as early as possible. With the help of Exam Coach 11 Plus workshops, you can begin building and consolidating your child's 11 Plus exam skills on a weekly basis. We also provide free practice tests and answers to reflect the types of questions that frequently appear in 11 Plus exams. In addition, your child can expand their vocabulary by tuning in to our daily Vocab Show podcast, available on YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, and Amazon Music. Finally, we recommend you read our 18-point 11 Plus exam preparation guide. Our workshops and resources are used by thousands of 11 Plus students every year. All of these resources can be found on our website, linked below this video. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your 11 Plus application.